This is our first lecture video based on time and price. Everyone knows market is moving based on the time and price. The time is the constant and the price is pattern. The price varies in each day. The price have different types of manners like expansion, retracement, sometimes expansion and reversal, or expansion every times. Sometimes it cannot be reversed or retraced. After expansion there have to be a retracement, and after retracement it has been reversed or be expand. It's like in AMD and X: accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and reversal or retracement. Here, what's this is the accumulation phase. This red shaded area is the accumulation phase before the market has been opening. The pre-market section from time, right? 7 of New York local time to 9:30. That's for the first time which has been entering. It was the Asia session. No, sorry, the pre-market session. The pre-market set for the AM to trade. That's the accumulation phase. Here is the AM session. 7:30, 7 o'clock has been begun. Right from here, Asia accumulate. Sorry, pre-market accumulate, manipulate below the 9:30 is the first fake movement. This was the first main fake movement. This was the 9:30 opening, and this is the 9:45, the first 15 minutes. You don't need to be go for 1 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, one daily. You don't, or you only need the 50 minutes. We will discuss in-depth details about the trade concepts and the point of interest, and how to be aligned, which was the point of interest I want to take, and what is the tool, and what's the time, and what's the entry which is pattern for the trading, and what are the time. There is more of the time which has been exist in this trading. Some of them using macros, some of them using as a manipulation time window, some of them using distribution time windows, some of them using quarterly theory. Everyone is using different types of time, but in my case I'm using different types of time based on 369. The 369 is the key to the universe and the key to the financial market. It's true. When I'm trading, everything I have presented to the Telegram channel about my 369 which has been reversed. That's the reversal point. It's mainly focused on reversal point 369 which has been reversed on the reversal point. Why? Because you are trading, if you trade the when is the price was going to the upside, if you go for trade, no, you wait for the retracement or the reversal, right? For where the time where the market was reversing, that's the usage of 369. It's not like a, it's random. You can see every time, you can see 1 to 1 a.m to 2 a.m, every time you can see the 369, but it's not be valid, only valid in a specific time of the day. That's what we will discuss about 369 in the coming videos. Stay patient and stay with me. Before entering into the trading, you need to know about what is bias today. What was the candle want to go for printing, whether it is a buy candle or to be a sell candle. When it is buy candle, the smart money, the smart money which buys below the opening price or below the candle, is a wick. That's what everyone telling, that's a wick makes the damage and the body tells the story. That's the real, the wicks are the smart monies. The smart monies open here when it's a bullish day. The smart money creates a low. The smart money accumulates and kept their pending orders, take their pending orders and move ups. That's the market has been doing every single day. In NQ market, you don't need to know about whether the London is doing, what the Asia is doing, whether the AM session is doing. You do not need to understand. You only need to understand whether the coming day, whether this day is a bullish or bearish. It's based on bias. You can know about bias, how to know. how to be know whether the bias is bullish or buy day or sell day. I have been presented a in-depth detail about bias in my Telegram channel. You can go and search what bias I will be mentioned. You can just search in Telegram what is bias. I give a in-depth charge sheet for the bias. Okay, so bias is easy because coming to the daily candle, the price was in the premium and the previous day high is not taken by the Wednesday's. Tuesday's high is not taken, and also Monday's low is taken. Whether the Monday says the accumulation. Monday is BB accumulation for the 80% of the days. That's why the Tuesday makes the damage of the Monday's. Monday's low has been taken by the Tuesday's low and closed inside the range of the Monday's high. Right? Was the CRT where my Telegram channel full of members is CRT members. As I'm talking, they have the idea how the price is going to react from here, right? The market takes the Monday's high in Tuesday. This manipulation, this is the accumulation, manipulation, and distributory, right? This is the symbol, this common words and with key level. You need to be key level here. The key level is common, right? The swing low is act like the key level, and the market has been displaced to the upper side, and the closing of here the previous Monday candle and the Tuesday candle. The Tuesday candle sweeps the Monday's low and close inside the range, so it's can we can anticipate whether the Wednesday will be a bullish day. That's why I anticipated. And another mechanism of the this everything is I'm shared in my right in my Telegram channel. Here over this is the two Wednesdays. This was the change in state of delivery. Change in state of delivery tells the whether the buying and the selling. Just no, I'll just share everything in Telegram channel. Just go through it. You need what is told. We know the buy day, the Wednesday is a buying day, so the dole can be previous day highs or Monday's highs or last week Friday's highs. That's the highs because the highs are the major because the high are the orders which has been who was selling from Monday. The retail traders were selling from Monday, so their orders which has been stop losses which has been kept on the Monday's highs, and who was sold in Tuesday. That's Tuesday was a sell day, so their retail traders stop loss was kept on highs. That's why the market has been choose the dole for the Monday's highs, previous day's highs was in Tuesday highs. Market takes that highs and move upside with good displacement. That's why it has a Monday's high taken, right? Let's go to the time and entry. Here 8:30 and 9:30 is a crucial time opening window for to trade. Like here the equity opening, this is the 8:30 opening and the 9:30 opening. Here the Monday, sorry, the Wednesday market opening and the equity opening, we want to buy or sell below. If you are buying day, buy below the opening market opening price and sell above the market opening price. That's the one of the best because market by while taking the market has displays high and ranged here the 9:30 ranged and 9:45 the next 15-minute candle opens, it goes to the down. That makes sense everyone. It was a spike or here we know this is a buy day. Everyone think about this is going to be market opens here high low close, then 9:45 then 9:50 to 10:10 is my macro. Let's go into the 50 minutes chart. You can see the 50 minute chart here. here it's any imbalance, right? FVG BC act like to push price higher. We are shifting into the 1 minute chart, right? Here the market has been opened here, and this was our first presented fair value gap. First presented fair value gap. The first presented fair value gap act like a ghost and is act like a powerhouse. The ICD has been talking about the powerhouse of the first presented fair value gap. This was the first presented fair value gap. The price has been tapped and goes lower and takes the liquidity. This is engineered sell side liquidity. I've mentioned that this is an engineered sell side liquidity and this is an engineered buy side liquidity. You need only to as I said, you can catch 5 to 10 handles by when the market is opened. You can take the engineer's liquidity. Why is the engineer's liquidity is so much powerful? Because the engineer's liquidities are the time based liquidities to be look for, right? Here we know this is the low which has been created 9:45, and the time is comes here 10:10. Here is our time 9:50 to 10:10. What this is busy, right? And this is MSS market structure shift. Market takes this raid sell stops. Market takes the low of the sell side liquidity and takes the buy side liquidity and ICT 2022 formation. This is a MSS market in structure shift. This is market structure shift, and it forms a BC. The BC which has been tapped, look at the time of the tapping of the BC 9:50. There will be an entry and closed above. The first presented fair value gap act like a powerhouse. I'm telling, it closed above this act like a inversion presented fair value gap. We have the entry from here. Your stop loss is based on here. My stop loss is based on here because this is a big up close candle and this have a FVG. I can stop here or to be here. This was my first stop loss. I'm not trailing my stop loss because I risk my manage from here. By the way, here is my, because I know this have no weak and this is strong bullish, and we have a market structure shift with the closing to the upside, so it will be act like a powerhouse, and the previous day high has been targeted. First target has been taken here, and I kept the break even here. First taking, I'm not taking here. This 3.44 RR is simply 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Within 10 minutes you get the 3.4 RR. After taking to the previous day high, it was taken, right? And my this was our time based exit. This is our time based exit, and here by the exit there is an entry here to here. While, because every entry is an exit and every exit is an entry, that's taught by Romeo. Right, here is my perfect exit. While, because here this will be a big exit from me, 8.79 R, but I am stopped out here because I anticipate this was a big FVG, right? This was our big FVG. I want to see the market want to trade over here the FVG and want to push higher, but I want to keep my SL here, but market has taken this low. If I put my SL here or here, it will be stopped out. I don't know what it happened, but I catched almost 100 RR. 9600 RR is almost done. It's within 10 minutes. It's simple to trade the knowledge, and So many of them has been shorted from here. I see the many of them traded from here, and many of them get stopped out because they are trading from here, and they are managing their risk and taking their stop loss here. Don't know what is happened, but nothing to happen because market takes that sweeps that liquidity and goes up. Nothing to happen. But if you know about the 369, your entry will be here. I will teach the 369 concept in coming lecture videos. Okay, this was our next dole, and saw dole, and time based exit was in here, the 9 10:30, because 10:30 we have a major news. Before that, we will close the hour all over the trades within this time. This is the time and the price which has been doing in the market. There is time is macros, and the price which has doing, it's a pattern. Nothing more, nothing too complicated. This was complicated for you. If you are not trading, this was complicated for you, then trading is not for you. Just quit it. I want to say honestly, just quit it. This is not that complicated. This is simply textbook. This was the pattern. Then this was the time which ICT teach in 2022 mentorship, 2023 mentorship, 24 mentorship. Every mentorship, every single mentorship, he was teaching about this, and in every single trading video he posts in Twitter face and YouTube, the same concepts. Many of the people are saying this is complicated. Okay, fine. We'll go through the CRT. What the CRT is done. That's our main, because everyone is trading the CRT because the CRT is easy to understand the price. Yes, I'm to understand the price by basis of the CRT. CRT helps to understand what is price, what the price was going to do. Let's go. I'm telling, I need only 15 minutes chart. I don't need 1 hour chart or nothing. I don't need it, right? It's all about you. I want to do here the 930 openings, here the low. This was an FVG, and this is a key level. This is the CRT low, and this is the CRT high, and this was our first target. That's our engineered buy side liquidity, and the second target was the previous day highs, and third target was the Monday's highs. Is complicated? It's not complicated. It's not complicated. The CRT highs and lows are there. This is the CRT low, the CRT high, the purge, and the key level. Everything is aligned. If you're trading in the 15-minute, right, you want to go for 1 minute for the entry. Here, I said you that this was our engineered sell side liquidity. This was our engineered buy side liquidity. Why the what the CRT has done? The CRT has done taken this engineered sell side liquidity and goes to the engineered buy side liquidity. Then market has been go to the previous day highs and Monday's highs. This is called complicated. CRT also playing every time, every single day. Many people are knowing, don't know. You can change in state of delivery or be an FVG. Model 1 it's not work here. This is the model 1. I'm not using model 1. I'm not using model 1 because model 1 make be, if you are trading in 50 minutes chart like 4 hour in 50 minutes, you can use model 1. I'm not trading in model 1. I'm not trading in any other. This is not complicated. This is easy. Okay, yeah, we can see in another video about price action, price trading. We will see in the coming videos. Yeah, yeah. Have you seen the PM session? PM session is overtaken than 11:30, and our first macros come from 11:10:50. I want to see this high was taken. This high didn't taken by the, it was taken 250, right? 150 to 10. The market has been taken. Yeah, the market has been taken, and we have the change in state of the, I'm not taking this inversion because this was a small inversion. I want this type of inversion. I will take this. If I have a big inversion like this, I will take that. Here This is not the perfect time to trade, and it makes another higher high, and the change in state of delivery right over here. You can enter it here, or this is a fair value cap. This is a short position right over here, and our exit stop loss is from here, right? And our exit was this relative equal loss. Target to the relative equal loss. Price traded over that before the market is closing. Look of the time, 15:15. Perfect. 6 6 12, 2 plus 1 3, nothing more. Time based exit. The market reversed, reversed, so retraced, then expand, retraced, expand, retrace, reversal, right? The market is not complicated, it's simple. If you have the first macro has been acted of the 9:50 to 10:10, the second macro is coming under the 10:50 to 11:10. I'm not traded in 10:50 to 11:10 because this was my entry and I don't trade here. I'm anticipated to take this loss, but nothing. Market didn't trade it. It's go expand higher, taking this liquidity. It returns. That's why I'm not doing to trade. Yeah. Hope everyone has enjoyed the class, the lecture videos. We will discuss more in-depth details about the time and price. We want to discuss about the time cycles, price cycles, time, price, smart money, IBDA. Everyone who's following, we will stay. If you stay together, we will discuss about in-depth details about the coming videos. Okay, bye bye.